What is Ethereum? How much do you really know Ethereum? Let's clear some myths about Ethereum here. Have you ever asked yourself, what is Ethereum? A lot of people make a lot of transactions on the Ethereum, and then when they want to send coin or receive coin, they say, I'm sending on Ethereum blockchain, I'm sending on Ethereum network, or I send to you through Ethereum. But they never ask, what is Ethereum? Why do we need Ethereum? Why Ethereum? So in this video, I'm going to tell you some things, make some little documentary about Ethereum that y'all maybe don't care about, or maybe you never knew about, or that could be very helpful to you in the nearest future. So let's talk about what Ethereum is in this video. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. Ethereum is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Among cryptocurrency, it is the second only to Bitcoin in market capitalization, and y'all know that by now. Ethereum was conceived in 2013 by a programmer Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum in 2014 development work commenced and was crowdfunded, and the network went live in 30th July. The platform allows anyone to deploy permanent and immutable decentralized application into it with which users can interact. So, decentralized finance DeFi application provide a broad array of financial services about the need to typical financial intermediate like brokerages, exchange, or branch, such as allowing cryptocurrency users to borrow against their holdings or lend. So, Ethereum also allows for the creation and exchange of NFTs, which are non-fungible, connected to digital works of art and other reward items sold as a unique item. All right. So, talking about NFT, it has recently grown massively and has been adopted by Binance on their platform. Some NFT arts are being sold on Binance right now. NFT, a non-fungible token, is a unit of data stored on a ledger called a blockchain that satisfies a digital asset to be unique and therefore non-interchangeable. NFT can be used to represent items such as photo, videos, audios, and other types of digital files. So, access to any copy of the original file, however, is not restricted to the buyer of the NFT. So, while copies of these digital items are available for anyone to obtain, NFT tracks on blockchain to provide the owner with a proof of ownership that operates from copyright. The NFT market value tripled in 2020, reaching more than $250 million. During the first quarter of 2021, NFT sales exceeded $2 billion. Ethereum blockchain offers creation and sales of these items with great ease. At this point, if you have not subscribed to nbarinua channel, do so now and like this video, comment, and let's know your thoughts. Please turn on the notification bell button. Let's continue. So, additionally, many other cryptocurrencies operate as ERC token and on top of the Ethereum blockchain and have utilized the platform for initial coins offering. So, Ethereum has started implementing a series of upgrades called Ethereum 2.0, which includes a transition to proof of stake and aims to increase transaction throughout using _TADing. So, while Ethereum offers a lot of flexibility that even the BTC doesn't offer, a lot is looking into the consideration of the cost of transaction. Why they are trying to work on that, Ethereum offers a lot of flexibility as regards creation of all this NFT and allowing users to create a lot of new tokens on their platforms and making things a lot more easier. So in this video, there are two opportunities I've actually mentioned to you: creation of token on the Ethereum blockchain, and then ease transaction and NFT ads. So there are a lot more opportunities that are within which you can look forward to, and they are all built in within all these little opportunity or this much opportunity that I've mentioned to you guys. So it would be nice if you take a very look at them, seize them, create an NFT ad for yourself, or create a token for yourself with a great contract or with a great white paper or with a great project behind it, or use Ethereum to develop your project or whatever project that you have to do. So we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and like my video, and then make sure you stay tuned for the other video. Thank you for